Welcome everyone! In this video, we will dive into random variables and probability distribution. Get ready to enhance your understanding of these topics. Let's get started. Let's start by defining what a random variable is.
A random variable is a function that assigns a number to each possible outcome of an experiment. It is also called a chance variable. To make this clearer, imagine you're playing a game where you don't know what will happen. A random variable is a number that represents the different possible outcomes of that game.
There are two categories of random variables: discrete random variables and continuous random variables.
A discrete random variable is defined as one that can only assume a countable number of distinct values. On the other hand, a continuous random variable can take on any value within a specified range.
Now that we have discussed the random variables, let us define the probability distribution.
A probability distribution or probability mass function shows all possible value of a random variable and their corresponding probabilities within a sample space.
There are two types of probability distribution. First, discrete probability distribution, wherein you will represent all the possible values of a discrete random variables. The second one is probability density function, wherein you will represent all possible values of a continuous random variable.
Next, we have the properties of discrete probability distribution. Feel free to stop the video to look more closely. And lastly, here are the steps for constructing a probability distribution for a discrete random variable. Step 1. List the sample space of the random experiment. Step 2. Count the number of values of the random variable. Step 3. Create a frequency distribution for the values of the random variable. Step 4. Draw a probability histogram for illustration. Step 5. Construct the probability distribution by calculating the probability of each value occurring.
Now, let's have an example.
Suppose we have a basket that contains 10 fruits, 5 apples, and 5 oranges. If 3 fruits are taken from the basket one after the other, determine the possible values of the random variable. Let A represent the number of apples.
Construct a probability distribution and answer this. Find the probability of this. A. Getting 1 apple. B. Getting at most 2 apple. C. Getting at least 3 or 1 apple.
Following all the steps we demonstrated, we came to this conclusion. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching.